Now go to employee and add the controller, API controller and empty controller, and controller name is employee. Add it. Resolve it. Create a parameterized constructor, employee controller, which accepts employee management context. This is done. Let's create a DTO. ID and name, and go to employee controller. Now let's create HTTP GET method with public async task action result and pass IEnumerable and collection of employee DTO. Employee DTO is nothing but a data transfer object. It's a GET employee. Add the reference for it. Basically, I have to return employee DTO. So for that, what I have to do, I have to convert employee to employee DTO. So let's add one private converter, so which will return employee DTO. So this is something you will pass employee here, so it will convert from employee to employee DTO. So I can copy this one and I can add here, and this will accept employee as input and return new employee DTO. That's it, and add the reference employees dot select. We can add with the help of lambda expression. I can pass employee DTO, just resolve it using system.linkU and make it as static dot. Seems all good. Let's run Visual Studio. So firstly, let's change it. Go to Properties, Launcher, and here add the employee. Now all working fine. Let me add some record. I'll just add David, age 25, address Sydney, search it. Now I'm getting the record. So all working fine.